record what happened. So guys, I have another affordable conditioning treatment for you. This one is Palmer's coconut oil with vitamin E, raw coconut oil harvested from the coconut palm. Coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack for dry damaged or color treated hair, formulated with ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients. Fair trade coconut oil. What else? No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes. So I picked this one up at Walmart. The Walmart that I went to was out in a neighborhood that did not have too many people of color products. Like, their hair care section was decent, but for us like that, like, it was literally like one section, and then for like little stuff like this, it was probably like 4 other like little packs. So it really wasn't that much, and I bought 2 of them. I bought this one and one that you'll see next week. So it really wasn't that much. If you see that my nails are still like a little bit discolored, the last time I dyed my hair, this is finally like really trying to fade. Like, I had to take a nail file and buff away the dye. So I mean, okay, definitely strong in coconut scent. I mean, clearly it's coconut, but whew, that is a lot. And so just a little bit more of the ingredients. Coconut oil restores essential moisture. Manoi hydrates and improves manageability. Keratin protein strengthens and repairs. Silk protein, I ripped the thing, sorry. Silk protein restores high gloss shine, and coconut milk detangles and combats frizz. So yeah, it says leave in for 10 to 20 minutes. Or if you're using it as an overnight treatment, cover hair with a plastic cap. Like, we already know that stuff. Conditioner. So I did not shampoo. I just co-washed. It says Palmer's coconut oil formula. Products contain ethically and sustainably sourced coconut oil and Tahitian manoi infused with tiare flower petals. These raw natural ingredients deeply hydrate, repair damage,
so far
and give
this
hair incredible
really
shine.
It has a smooth texture to it. I feel like it dissolves quickly in the hair, or at least my hair. Like I said, my hair soaks up a lot of moisture. I don't know if, off the bat, just saying, last week's protein pack, I still really like that, and I need to go back and get some more. This one is just like settling into my hair, like just like coconut oil usually does with my hair. Like, my hair just soaks it up. It's just literally, I feel like my hair is kind of liking this. Okay, I have the entire pack in my hair. Even though it comes out like it lays on my hair white, I still feel like this treatment, my hair automatically soaked it up. I do like that. I feel like my coils are kind of popping a little bit already, especially in the middle. So yeah, I like this so far. This was $1.79 at Walmart. I'm sure the price varies depending on where you're at, but I like it so far. The scent, you kind of get used to the scent after a little while. I love coconut. I absolutely love coconut candles, coconut oil. coconut scented, you know, fragrances and all of that stuff. I like coconut a lot. This one, when you first open the pack, to me it's a little bit strong, it's a little bit overwhelming, but I feel like the Manoi kind of like balanced it out a little bit, so the scent kind of dies down, which if you're a person that's just not big on like the parfum, whatever you want to call it, ordeal, this scent does die down a little bit. I'm sure it'll still kind of linger on the hair even after you wash it out, but this isn't too bad. I like it. The scent is going away, which I'm happy about. Okay, so I just rinsed the product out, and it rinsed out so smoothly. Like, I don't even think I was under the water for like 5 minutes. Rinsed it out. My hair feels really nice, really soft, and I think it didn't take long to rinse this out because, like I said, my hair really soaked up the coconut oil. Would I get this again? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna get it again. I don't really have anything else to say about it too much. I would try it out again. Pretty decent. I feel like if you have thick, dense, coarse type 4 hair, when you try this, you'll see what I'm saying. Like, the product is here and then it's gone. Like, it's literally, my hair just soaked it up. So either one, this is a super nourishing pack, or my hair was really dry, or both. Like, it's just super hydrating and moisturizing, and my hair was dry. But anyway, I'm about to move on to like putting my twist in that I wear under my wigs. And yeah, I like this. My hair feels really good, really good. And I didn't have a cap, like a plastic cap, so I just used some Walmart bag, works the same. And my hair feels really good, really soft. I just wish I could figure out like what's with the back and the middle. Like I said, my hair, I don't know. But my hair does feel really good. It feels hydrated, so I do like it.